Your container restarted and wiped your database. Volumes are how you fix that. In Docker Compose, persisting data needs two things. First, declare a named volume at the top level of your compose file using the volumes key. Just the volume name followed by a colon. Docker registers and manages it. Second, inside the service definition, add a volumes entry mapping that name to a container path. The syntax is volume name : container path. For Postgres, that looks like dbdata:/var/lib/postgresql/data. The volume lives on your host, separate from the container layer. So when the container restarts, it reconnects and all the data is still there. Named volumes survive both container restarts and Docker compose down. Run compose down without flags. Containers and networks are removed, but your volumes stay. Bring services back up and the data is right there. This is why named volumes are the standard choice for databases and any stateful data. Named volumes differ from bind mounts. A bind mount uses a host directory path on the left side of the colon, like ./data. Docker manages named volumes itself, making them portable. Bind mounts suit source code sync in development. And if you want to delete volumes too, run docker compose down-v. Declare named volumes at the top level, mount them in services, and your data persists. Drop a like if this helped. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.